Hello! Welcome back at the YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Today, all about Awit Awards about Icy Guerra. But, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mo likes, shares, comments, at views. Abuti ng 500, i-supportin natin sa ating social media accounts. Our latest vlog, 430, and episode 430, entitled Icy Guerra sa 39 Awit Awards. Here's our vlog. Okay, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, last Thursday, August 6, ginanap ng nominees of 2026 Awit Awards on its 39th edition. Nearly next year na ang 40th anniversary next year. Kasi po, ang Awit Awards, 1969 ang nag-start. Kaya lang, na tumitigil hanggang 1971 ang last Awit Award. 1972 na tumigil. Hanggang nagbalik noong 1989. For this year, third edition of Awit Awards recognizes the songs, albums, and others for 2025. Yan, last year yan. This year, 2026, yan ang covering na yung 39th edition. Kasi 2025, songs, albums, and others sa 2026 po yun. Eto, dahil dyan, the one and only Icy Guerra. Dahil si Icy Guerra may 3 nomination para sa album ni Icy Guerra na Being Ice. Here is. Nagulat ako. That started with the newly category is Best Musical Theater Recording. For Best Musical Recording or Musical Theater Recording for the song Lost in Time, para sa musical na Choosing or Walang Aray. But congratulations, Icy Guerra, the whole cast. Kung Choosing man or Walang Aray, pasok pa rin ang Lost in Time. Best Inspirational Recording sa kantang Nandyan Ka is a song about inspirational message about the heavier heart, about long lost partners or long lost families or yung mga iba pang mga hakbang, and syempre pagsubok for all. At sabi ng kantang Nandyan Ka, at nandyan ka na pala, diba? Pero hindi nakikita. Or, pero, nakikita. Paano na ginagawa tong kanta? Sino sumulat ang kantang Nandyan Ka? Icy Guerra, Lisa Dino, or Trisha Denise? Sige, maliwala ka na. But for now. And finally, the best music video goes to Shelter of the Broken. Nomination lang muna daw for the song. The song is composed by Icy Guerra and Trisha Denise, while the music video released by Mary Lisa Dino and, of course, Icy Guerra. 3 nominations kasi. But unfortunately, hindi kasama sa category ng, or other major categories like Genre Awards, Performance Awards, and the Grand Awards. Sayang naman. But, Icy Guerra have one more message. Bago mang yung last 4 final categories that the message ko pala sa mga finalists for Awit Awards. At syempre, continue the music, inspirationals, and be part of our nomination. Sabi niya, ang Grand Award, ito ay creative at producers na makakapasok for the 39 Awit Awards. Like the new artist, the album, the song, and the record of the year. And, good luck sa lahat ng finalists for the 39 Awit Awards. Good luck, Icy Guerra. Sana, hopefully, mananalo yan. But for now, the 39 Awit Awards na yung September 15 sa Mall of Asia Arena. Yan po for our latest vlog. Sorry kasi natuloy yung yung tubig kasi hindi ako nakatulog dahil sa'yo. But next time. Bye! God bless!